Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to skip the Samsung account setup screen on Samsung Galaxy A54. In order to do so, as you're setting up your phone, you will see the Samsung account, and if you don't want to log into it, or don't have the account, or want to log in later, you can just click on Forgot Password or Don't Have an Account. Now you can either create the account or set it up later in settings. That will allow you to skip the Samsung account. Now you need to scroll down and click on skip. Then continue with some Samsung services. You can disable or enable them. Now you can choose the display mode for your phone to light or dark. And finish. Now the Samsung account login screen has been skipped. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.